The top never feels like the top. Everyone's making money, everyone's confidence is sky high, and that's exactly when cracks start forming. And there you go, Donald Trump. Right now, everyone thinks we're in a new golden era. AI stocks exploding, indexes at all-time highs, and volatility, you got it right around the corner. But markets have a cruel habit, punishing comfort. When everyone agrees, that's when I start to worry, because markets move in silence, and euphoria blinds even the smartest minds. Valuations feeling stretched right now, margin debt piling up again, retail sentiment back to 2021 levels. We're seeing the same behavior again, high-risk bets, short-term greed, and influencers turning traders overnight. The same story, just with a different headline. This feels euphoric. But let's be honest, we've been here before. In 2021, nobody saw the crash coming. In 2007, housing was way too solid to fail. And every time the question isn't how much are we willing to go up, but how much pain can we really handle when it stops going up? Every investor has a pain threshold, a point where logic stops working and emotion takes over. Maybe it's 20%, maybe 50%, but if you don't know your pain threshold before the storm hits, the market will teach it to you the hard way. I've seen people panic after one red week, and others hold through 50% drawdowns just because they believed in their thesis. The difference isn't knowledge, it's conviction. A study found out that the average investor underperforms the market by over 4% per year, not because of fees, but because they panic and they sell and miss the recovery. Even today, 56% of new investors think their portfolio will perform better in the next 12 months, and almost all of them underperform after corrections. The market is a mirror. It reflects our fear, our greed, our impatience. Every cycle feels different, but human behavior never changes. That's why story keeps repeating itself. The market isn't about timing tops, it's about surviving bottoms. Most people only learn that after losing half of their money. The pain never lasts forever, but the lessons do. If you can hold through the pain, you'll own the recovery. Because investing isn't about money, it's about character. When you survive what others can't, you become who others won't. We've seen this story before, but the ending depends on how much pain are you willing to endure. Are you here for quick profits, or to build something that outlasts every crash?